How might you know if cicadas will emerge in your yard? Here are some clues. Small mammals like squirrels, foxes, racoons, and skunks are on the hunt for cicadas, turning over the soil in lawns and beneath trees. In moist soils, cicada nymphs sometimes build mud turrets over their exit holes. And in other places, vast numbers of round, dime-sized holes will appear. Under stepping stones and flagstone walkways, numerous cicadas may be found in their galleries. Amazing expanded forelegs shaped by millions of years of evolution enable cicadas to move earth and shape their escape tunnels.